welcome back to Shruti Arts. I am Shruti and you are watching Shruti Arts tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to be interesting and plus it's going to be really unique. That is, it's going to be new from all of our videos yet. So in today's video we are going to learn how to draw doodles and what is doodle drawing or what is doodle art and how you can draw it. And if you are a beginner, this video is for you, because I'm gonna cover all the points that you can see over here. So let's just jump into the video. But let me tell you one thing before starting. If you haven't subscribed Shruti Arts, make sure to subscribe down. You can see a red button which says subscribe. Please press the button, okay? So please, that's a really kind request for you all of guys. What is doodle drawing? First of all, so doodle drawing is a simple drawing. You can see in one sentence, if you want to tell that what is doodle drawing, you can say that doodle drawing is a drawing which is actually made up of different shapes or different creations or your creativity. So the doodle drawing consists of different shapes, different cartoon characters or characters which you create, okay? So you can express your emotions through it, your opinion through this drawing, okay? And this drawing, benefits of this drawings are like a lot. So before going to the benefits, so let me tell you that doodle drawing is one of the drawing which is constructed by different shapes, different fonts or some designs, patterns, etc. So while drawing this, you will need different shapes and your creativity first of all. So this is the main thing of your creation. So you will need to create something in your mind and put up all your thoughts on that page, okay? So first of all, that what are the benefits of doodle drawing? So doodle drawing is also known as the drawing which can calm your soul or give you some peace, or if you are stressed, you can just relieve your stress by drawing this drawing. So this have different types, like doodle drawing consists different type. Mandala art. So I have uploaded many videos about mandala art. So if you want to check out the tutorial, you can just check out here in the I button, and I have also mentioned the link in the description itself. One type is also there, that is known as zentangle. So the zentangle, this type is specially drawn by different patterns. It consists different patterns, different designs. So I have also going to give a tutorial about this drawing ahead in the video. So don't skip the video, because this video contains really informative knowledge or information about doodle drawing which can be really helpful for you all artists. There are different other types, that is simple doodling or different designs. So the main types I told you is mandala, zentangle, and today I'm going to draw a doodle for you all guys, and going to give you a simple tutorial about that too. So doodle drawing is a drawing by which you can put your thoughts onto your page. Like if you're thinking about sadness, happiness, or you are going through an emotion, like if it's a happy mood or enjoyable mood for you, you can put all your thoughts in your one page. Like for example, you're on your picnic and you are getting some good vibes, beach vibes, different trip vibes. So these vibes can be drawn itself on the page if you want, okay? So this all comes to creativity, means you should express your thoughts by some creativeness in your page, that is onto your page. So this drawing is kind of not almost everything is related to your creativity. So I'm also going to give a detailed tutorial in this video about how to draw different shapes, construct different characters which you can use in doodle art, okay? So now let's talk about materials you're gonna need for doodle art, okay? So the materials are simple, like you can use pencil, you will need pencil, okay? You will need pen, markers, then you will need eraser, of course you will need eraser. Then if you are drawing different types, you will also need some geometrical materials, like you will need compass, then you will need protractor. Like this, different things you will need in different types for drawing doodle art, okay? So the main things I told you is pencil, pen, black pen, or any colorful markers if you want, or if you want to make your doodle to be colorless, then you will not need the color pens, but if you want, then you can also use some different color markers. So I'm gonna give you some detailed information about this too, that how to use materials in different ways. Okay, so now let's go ahead. So now I'm going to teach you that how you can construct simple shapes or simple characters by your own, which you can use it in your doodle art. So I have drawn a slimy character here, which I have designed it before. So like this you can create your own character. So there's a cute process behind it, so we're gonna learn it now. So now before starting, I am gonna tell you that if you have drawn something, don't be afraid to erase it if you don't want it. So now I'm going to start to construct my design or construct my cartoon character with a simple geometrical shape, and then you will make some changes in it, whatever you want. And now I'm going to draw the final result of my cartoon character by drawing some details in it. Like I have drawn a cloudy shape over here, and now I'm going to give it some details like ears. I am also going to give some emotions to my cartoon character, by which it will make it more cuter, more cartoonish and funny, cute, like whatever you want to say. But I really like my cartoon characters. So now I have made these two columns over here. In one of them I am going to draw the cartoon doodle, and in the second one I am going to draw the zentangle. So I am going to teach it one by one. So in this one I have drawn some cartoons one by one, so you will do the same, and don't be afraid to erase if you don't want it. And you can draw different emotions to your cartoon characters. So first of all, you will sketch your drawing with a pencil. Make sure the sketch is lighter. I have drawn the sketch little bit darker because it will not be able to see in the camera. That is why I have drawn it a bit darker, by which you all can see what I'm sketching. So now I'm like you can see, I have drawn different shapes overlapping each other at behind, in the front, and now I'm going to draw a cloud like shape. So you're going to fill this all column with some doodles with some different shapes. So first of all, don't make details in this doodle art. If you're a beginner, make sure to focus on the basic shapes and then make details. So now with the same process you will fill all the column and you will get a cute doodle. So now let's go with the drawing.
For me to say you love.
So now I have completed the sketching, as you can see here. So I have purchased some black markers for my inking. So this is sketch pen, so this one is so much cheaper than the others. I have bought a black gel pen, which is also cheap in the market. Then I have brought a permanent marker whose nib is a little broad, by which I can give my drawing a depth, a volume. And this one has two nibs, one is broad and the other one is fine. So I have purchased this all black pens of different sizes, different nibs, which will help me in my drawing.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, you know how we do.
So before starting the inking, let me tell you one thing, that be confident while inking, because if you shake your hand while inking, then it will not look good. Otherwise your lines will break and the drawing will be ruined totally. So make sure to be confident while inking. So this is the most important tip. So now we are going to complete the inking by using different nibs, and make sure that you should use different nibs, not the same one to all. and the small details like expressions, the mouth, I'm leaving it for later. I'm going to complete it with the small nib pen, that is our gel pen, by which the details will look nice. And after that, the darker areas I am going to shade with the permanent marker, which has a broad nib, by which it will be easier for me to color it. You can also use colorful markers, but I really like the doodles in black and white, so I am going to use this black sketch pens and markers to complete my drawing.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's to say.
So now I'm going to use this permanent marker, this broad nib, to fill the darker areas with black color. So doing this will make my drawing look more attractive and more cool. So now let's complete the whole doodle.
For me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
So as you can see, I have completed the doodle. Now let's draw the zentangle. So I am going to draw these random lines which intersect at different points. And now what you have to do is just fill every part of this shapes that we have constructed randomly with some different patterns, different designs, and whatever you want, but make sure that the designs end to the border, otherwise it will ruin your drawing, that is ruin your zentangle. So make sure to do your design and draw the patterns inside the shape, that is inside the random shape we constructed. So now let's complete it with different patterns I like.
For me to say. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. For me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
So now as I have completed the design, now I am going to draw the border of all the random lines we have drawn to make our zentangle look more attractive. So now let's complete our drawing.
With the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
It's not for me to say.